everybody, the markets are still green here. I did do a little short video on Bitcoin. I want to do a little bigger dive into things here real quick. So on Bitcoin, we do see that we are hitting the long-term 300 MA right here. Also, we have this vertical channel line that we are currently in that we are also hitting at the same moment. We are rising right against this marker that I had for a possible uptrend. I've had this marker here for I think a month now, but we could consolidate in this zone right here with a little bit of a pullback and then a possible rise back up. But we are still within some of these marker lines here. I know my charts are a mess. That's sort of how I do things. It's how I see things. I'm not traditional. I have never been trained. I've never had a apprentice. I've taught myself this over the past 6 years of doing crypto markets. So I'm very unconventional in how I do things, but for some reason it just sort of works. Now, I did say that we had an area of resistance an area of interest down here in this box. I did think we would break down into this box, and I did see an area for buying. However, that did not play out. We did not go down into that zone. We did confirm the triangle reversal pattern, and we have come up. I have not done a lot of TA here this morning, so if I zoom out here and I had to guess, I would say we made another channel somewhere, because that is what Bitcoin has been doing. Every time we move off to the side and do a little breakout here, we create another channel somewhere. So I could see us in a triangle here and a possible reversal if we're not careful. But with the market momentum and people waking up to New Year's and seeing green and, everybody just getting on board, I could also see it just exploding. Also, we have ETFs coming back on board tomorrow, so that will be inflows as everybody sees the markets are green, unless we have some bad news. So just keep all that in mind while you're doing your technical analysis, while you're doing what you think is going to come up. Just be aware of that. We are also riding the top of this resistance here from a previous pullback and then a retest. So if this breaks here, we will be seeing a new support area. Of course, we also will most likely break out of this box at that point, or we'll come back down and do a retest in this zone somewhere. We could ride the back side of this marker line up. But if we get above 100 grand in price value, that will put us somewhere in here. Let's see, that's 98,000. That'll give us support from 200 EMA as well, and it'll really get the 50 EMA curved around there. I'll do that. So just take your time and look over everything, guys, and yeah, have a great day. But